Second problem, the parallel sides of a trapezium are 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Let us draw a rough diagram of the trapezium. So what they said, one is 40 centimeter and the other one is 20 centimeter. If its non-parallel sides are both equal, the non-parallel sides are equal, these two sides are equal, each is equals to 26 centimeter. So each of them is 26 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. We need to find out the area of this trapezium. Okay, so first, to find out the area, we should know the height, but we don't know the height. Okay, to find out that height, let us do some calculations. So first I'm going to start with finding the difference between these two parallel sides. So difference of parallel sides is equals to 40 minus 20, which is equals to 20 centimeter. So this is the difference. Okay, and non-parallel sides are equal. Equal means they will get this part equal. Okay, this much. So we need to divide. Since non-parallel sides are equal, so we need to half the difference. Half difference, which will be equals to 20 by 2, which is 2 ones are 2 tens are, so 10 centimeter. So we got this as 10 centimeter. Okay, now it's time to use Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, so we will get height square is equals to, this is height. Okay, so height square is equals to, this is hypotenuse, so we need to write down that 26 square minus, okay, actually 26 square is equals to h square plus 10 square, but we are transposing that, so we will get minus 10 square. So here height, let us take this height as h. 26 square is 676 minus 10 square is 100. So h is equals to 676 minus 100 is 576. This is, sorry, h square. So if we remove this square, we will get square root of 576. So square root of 576 is 24 centimeter. Okay, now it's time to find out the area. So here, area of the trapezium. We already know the formula for finding the area of the trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides. Okay, I'm writing this parallel sides as A and B into height. So half A plus B is 20 plus 40 into height is 24. So half into 20 plus 40 is 60 into 24. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 60 into 12. 12 6 are 72 and 0 as it is. So we will get centimeter square. So therefore area is equals to 720 centimeter square.